The World Health Organization declared measles eliminated in 2000, but after an outbreak that started in West Texas, it spread across the state, the U.S., and internationally. That status is now in question.
KXAN's Sam Stark gains insight from a global health expert who says he saw this coming.
It was here in Gaines County, 380 miles away from Austin, where the first measles outbreak of 2025 occurred. The Texas Department of State Health Services said the disease was no longer spreading in the state by August. But that was after there had already been 762 cases, 99 hospitalizations, and 2 child deaths. As of December 23rd, in the U.S. there were 2,012 confirmed cases. It is still spreading in other states.
Measles exploits low vaccination rates. Some of the counties in West Texas have the lowest vaccination rates in the state of Texas and even in the country. So guess what? That's exactly what happened.
Dean of the National School of Tropical Medicine at Baylor College of Medicine, Dr. Peter Hotez, said that while he's not surprised measles resurged this year, he's still deeply concerned.
Measles is back in a big way. We're going through a very dark period right now where the anti-vaccine advocacy is so strong nationally, and parents are making bad decisions about not vaccinating their kids.
Hotez criticized Secretary of Department of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy for fueling vaccine skepticism. Amid the Texas outbreak, Kennedy endorsed the MMR vaccine as an effective way of preventing the disease, but he's made conflicting statements in the past. He was questioned about his stance at a May testimony.
Are you recommending the measles vaccine or
I
not?
am not going to just tell people everything is safe and effective if I know that there's issues.
Hotez said measles was declared eliminated in the U.S. in 2000. The CDC says if there's sustained transmission for 12 months, that status is revoked.
Basically, we've lost our elimination status.
Sam Stark, KXAN News.
And measles is considered to be one of the most infectious diseases. It's so contagious that 9 out of 10 unvaccinated people close to an infected person will get sick.
Federal data shows U.S. kindergarten vaccination rates inched down last year as the share of children with exemptions rose to an all-time high. The fraction of children exempted from vaccine requirements rose to 3.6%. It's the third record-breaking year in a row for the national average. The data showed most were for non-medical reasons. 92.5% of kindergartners got their required measles, mumps, rubella shots. And before the COVID-19 pandemic, the vaccination rate was at 95%. That's the level that makes it unlikely to spark outbreaks. An NBC review of data found in our viewing area, only Bastrop, Fayette, Caldwell counties reported MMR rates above 95%.